Hello everyone, I am Antilla here, and in this section we're going to go over, this is the introduction and setup. So we're going to go over the installation of Visual Studio Code, installation of Python, the creation of a GitHub account, and the installation of Git. Okay? So for this specific section, we're going to install VSCode. So I already had it installed on my machine, so what I had to do is create a virtual machine with Hyper-V Manager. That's something I could probably create a video after, or you can actually Google that stuff. Try to do it on your own. But in this case, I create a machine, a Windows 11 machine, a dev environment, which is this one here, which is pretty much empty. Doesn't have that much stuff based on what I'm going to go over in this course. So I'm just going to go ahead and search or install VS Code here. So in this case, I need to actually want Chrome. So I'm just gonna go ahead here, Visual Studio Code. And hopefully you're following here. And again, it's gonna be as raw as possible. You're gonna see if I run into issues, I'm gonna try to troubleshoot as we speak. But hopefully there's not that many issues. So Visual Studio Code, you're gonna download. This is a Windows machine, Windows 11. In this case, I'm going to download and starting. It's gonna download here. You're gonna see that in the directory. So you see that this is empty. I only downloaded Chrome setup here. I'm just gonna double click on that executable, agree to the terms and conditions. And just delete everything as default. If you want to create your startup menu, you can. But I'm just going to go ahead. If you want to create your desktop, that's fine. Just go back here. Actually, that's fine. Default, and all that stuff. I'm going to try to add the instructions on the notes section. That way you can follow along as well if you don't just want to watch the video. But you can watch the video, follow along with the instructions. Anything that is outdated, let me know and I'll update it. But hopefully, there's not that much changes on this step, which is installation. Okay, so launch Visual Studio Code. That's it. So you have VS Code. It is up and running. You can start creating your own code structure, and that should do it. So simple, straightforward. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.